Notify clients immediately when cleaning is complete to confirm work and invite next steps. Start by preparing a concise checklist that lists every task completed and any areas needing follow-up. Photograph critical areas before and after using consistent framing and natural light so comparisons are clear without editing. Send a single clear message that includes the checklist, 2 to 5 representative before and after photos, and a short note about any follow-up actions or recommended maintenance. Keep the tone professional and brief. Use the client-preferred channel, whether that is email or text, and confirm delivery by asking one simple question such as, "Do you need anything else today?" If your business uses scheduling software, set it to trigger the message automatically after the cleaner checks out. And if you do not use software, create a standardized template you copy and paste to save time and maintain consistency. Always log the notification in your job record and note any client replies so the team can respond consistently. Common mistakes include sending poor quality photos that make results unclear, so use stable framing, decent lighting, and label images so clients can immediately tell which room is which. Another issue is overloading the client with jargon or long narratives, so stick to short bullets and one-sentence recommendations for maintenance or concerns. A third problem is failing to confirm receipt, which leads to lost communication, so end every notification with a simple call to action, asking the client to reply "Yes, received" or to flag any questions within 24 hours. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where users can ask questions and share experiences related to handoffs and follow-up. We help contractors find work by listing projects and giving them a place to engage with potential clients and peers.